Thank you for purchasing a Waterman portable water filter. This step-by-step guide will show you how to flush your filter for the first time and assemble the unit. First, let's remove the unit from the box. Disassemble the unit by removing the funnel, the cap, the filter holder, and the filter. Now we will begin the flushing process. Fill a sink or other appropriate vessel with cold water. Insert the filter and let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Once complete, remove the filter and shake away the excess water. Insert the filter into the filter holder, ensuring that the filter is firmly in place by holding the filter holder in one hand and pushing the top of the filter through. Attach the filter holder to the pot base. Then attach the funnel to the filter holder firmly. Flush the filter with running water by filling the funnel slowly with tap water. You will notice that the water that flushes through will be a grayish color. This is excess carbon powder from the filter. Once all the water has passed through the filter, empty the pot. Shake the unit to loosen the particles. Repeat this process 4 to 5 times until the water is clear. When the flushing process is complete, remove the funnel and replace the cap. The funnel is designed to be stored on top of the unit when not in use. Your Waterman is now ready to fill and drink from. You will also find a full set of instructions in the box for further reference.